in Surah Sword. And I'm not just telling you what I want to tell you, and you go and say, oh, Shaykh gave us a story. I ain't giving you no story. I'm quoting verses of the Qur'an to remind myself and you. Surah Sword, chapter 38 of the Qur'an. Chapter what? 38. And I reminded myself and you last week, when you go home, go back and check these verses of the Qur'an. It's a reminder. And we benefit by reminding. Alhamdulillah and mashallah, I've been giving khutbahs for more than 44 years now. 40, 45, 43, 44. And every time I read certain verses, I learn something more from it. The same verse. I've given him a personal experience. Every time I read a certain verse that I read a couple times and give a khutbah on, I got a different message from it. Allahu Akbar. And give a whole different topic on that khutbah. That is from Allah. So I'm telling you, I'm telling myself and everyone, read the Quran over and over. Ponder over the verses. You may think that you read that verse last week, and that's it. No. The Quran is so powerful that something would have happened in your life today, and when you read that same verse, you will see a different picture. You will get a different hidayah. You will get a different inspiration. You will get a different guidance on that verse. I'm giving you my 44 years of experience. I know